Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to go over something I think is really exciting for altcoins in particular, and that's the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. I've been talking about this for ages and I think this is about to blow. If you look at the Ethereum Bitcoin chart just now and zoom in at the moment, where are we just now? We can see we're at this long-term symmetrical triangle. It's been there in place for ages. If we look at the kind of touch points all the way back to June 2017, I've got these touch points here from April, all these touch points. If this breaks, this Ethereum is about to explode, and it explode big time. And what I've done here, I've kind of shared this in the past as well. I said this could be a measured breakout. If we do a measured breakout possible to 0.23, that means 23% of Ethereum or Bitcoin's price, sorry. So Ethereum could reach 23% of Bitcoin's price. Now 23% of Bitcoin's price just now is around about, say, $11,000 just now if Ethereum got to 0.23. So this is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. If we look at it, we can essentially see on the side 0.075 is telling you 7.5% of Bitcoin's price. That's really what it means. If we break this line, now, I don't know when it's going to be today, when it's going to be. It could be today, it could be tomorrow, it could be next week. But when, I don't think it's a case of if we break it. I think it's a case of when we break it. I think we could really kind of explode for Ethereum. Now, that means Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin, obviously. And a lot of people think that just now on crypto Twitter. If you look at Pentoshi, he thinks it's going to outperform Raoul Pal, thinks it's going to outperform Bitcoin as well. And I've been bullish on Ethereum for forever. And I know there's high gas fees, etc., and everything else, all to do with that. That's for retail investors. Institutional investors, those kind of fees don't matter. If you're buying $100,000 worth of Ethereum, you're not going to bother about paying $200 fees. So it's only the retail investors that bother about Ethereum. But that is going to change. The retail investors are going to change their mind come January, February, Q1 2022, when the gas prices come down. So I think that's all going to change and everybody will be bullish on Ethereum again. But for now, I think once this breaks, we're going to go up to $8,000, $10,000. And I see a $10,000 kind of Ethereum towards the end of the year. I've been sticking with that for months now and saying it's going to go up. If we look at the logarithmic growth chart, so now you can see it's a similar pattern to back in 2017. We broke the midline of the logarithmic growth chart. We came back down to retest it, then went up, kind of down slightly, and then went up to the upper band or the upper line of the logarithmic growth chart. And exactly the same is happening here. We kind of went up past the midline, way past it to 4,300. We came all the way down to retest it to 1,900, and now we're going up and we're going to be testing that upper line, which is about $9,000, coming up towards the $10,000. So Ethereum is going to go, it's going to go up by 100%. There's no question in my mind that that's going to happen for the end of the year. And if this line breaks, and I'm hoping it's going to be today, if this line breaks, that would be fantastic. We'll look at the daily chart, see where we are, and we'll put it on auto. You can see it's trying to break it. So you can see the wick going through it, but it's not quite broken it. Just same back here in September, same back here in May as well. But once this breaks, this is going to go big. Ethereum's going to go big, which means the altcoins are going to go big as well. So if you think Ethereum, if that doubles and goes up by 100%, the altcoins are going to go up by 100, 200, 500 or 1,000%. So Ethereum's a safe altcoin bet. And all the other altcoins that you're into, the big ones, and we'll be talking about on this channel in detail about other altcoins you can get into, and I have been talking about them. They're going to explode big time as well. This is where you're going to see the parabolic runs. This is where you're going to see over the next 3-4 months that millionaires are made. So this is not the time to be out of the market. This is the time to be in the market, I feel, in my opinion. Do your own research and all that, blah, blah, blah. So that's it for now. I think Ethereum's going to blow. If this line breaks, it's tested it so many times, but when it breaks, it's going to blow. Okay, until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.